Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1988 Chevrolet Corvette. 88 was the 35th anniversary edition. The white looks really awesome. I love how the hardtop comes off. So on these beautiful days like this, you get to take it out and enjoy some of that wind. As I'm walking around, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video. And the purpose of this virtual test drive is to kind of put you in the driver's seat, so you get a sense of how it goes down the road, its inner workings and everything. For all other information, I need to go on over to volocars.com, where we have a whole write-up, 100 or so extra pictures, and it even has the sale price in it. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, pretty comfortable when you first get in. I see you have the seat controls right here for your electric seats there. Let's see, windows, radio, your gauges. Let's start it up. Starts up nicely. Has the tilt wheel, so you can see hopefully all your electric gauges up there. And looking through the interior, has a nice spot for your hardtop, so if you are on the go and you decide to take it off, you have a nice sturdy place to put it. Everything looks really great in here. The dash looks nice, the seats look nice. I mean, to keep white interior this clean has to be next to impossible. So yeah, cruise control, everything looks pretty good. All right, I work in the shop here, so this is the first time any of us get to take it out on the road, so I'm gonna start out going slow, getting used to it, and then later on I'll open it up a little. Let's go for a ride. Tilt this down a little more. Right now you see all the gauges appear to be working. Feels nice. Drive straight. Brake felt right back there. All the glass looks in really great condition. The mirrors. Trying to find something to complain about here and really can't find it. Maybe a little bit of wear on the steering wheel here. Like I said, it's white interior. To keep it perfectly white would be impossible. Sounds pretty good going over all the bumpy roads. Oh, there's a little, have a bolt down here that was making that noise. The back window, I love it like this. There's still a lot of visibility. Some of the vehicles, there's quite a few blind spots. They try to make that back window a little too small. Let's open it up a little bit. nice Corvette get up and go. Really easy to control. I said in other test drive videos of Corvettes, you're stuck to the ground. I like that. Forgot to mess with this AC here. I feel it blowing and hear it. Alright, let's go manually through here. Shifts nicely through it. Like I said, it's really easy to control. I love to get up and go. Beautiful white on white. I really love this vehicle. If you haven't already, go click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com for all the pictures, the details, and the pricing. And hurry up and give our sales department a call. Corvettes are moving quick. As always, I appreciate you.